What's up, my vibrant beauties? Welcome back to my channel. On this weekend's vlog, I'm at Belmora again, and it's time for another waxing. They moved units, but they're still in the same little strip mall. But I will come to y'all when I'm out of here. But this is new hair. Who this? You can't really see it, but the colors are there. I'm so excited about it. And I'll see y'all when I get out of here. Saw this clip right here.
Hey y'all, it's Friday night. I'm coming on here. This is Sarah.
But yeah, you guys really wanted a tutorial. I had a lot of DMs about it, and
the color's kind of off
right
with this
here,
lighting,
everything that I did on that clip,
this is tonight.
on that look.
I still have to clean my makeup brushes because chile, yeah. But those are the only ones I have to clean. The rest of them are clean. And my makeup sponges. But that's all I'm doing tonight. Tomorrow is one of my best friends' party. So we're gonna do that. And then I'll come on to y'all in the morning and show y'all my new favorite machine in the whole wide world right now. Starbucks who? Alright, peace. Talk to y'all later.
What's up, my vibrant beauties? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back to another vlog. I sadly woke up, as you probably saw in the earlier clips. I woke up and then went right on back to sleep. So I woke up at like 7:30, and then I went back to sleep. I was like, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. My body said, you know, time to lay it on back down. Lay it on back down. So I am up for good now, hopefully. But I'm going to take y'all with me to clean. Well, not to clean. I'm going to tidy up a little bit. Show y'all how my new lovely, great machine. And then we'll be getting dressed and out the door. Maybe. So come on and have fun with me. If cleaning is fun for y'all. All right. welcome back. What's up, y'all? So now I'm about to go and check out a couple of gyms, hopefully that they're open, because now that I'm back on my paleo lifestyle, I want to get back into exercising. I really despise gyms though, but I know if I'm paying for it, I'll go. So, or I'll do something, because I'm not just gonna let my money go out the window type of thing. So, but I'm gonna go and check out a couple of gyms, see if I like any of them, and I'm gonna take you all along with me. See this double chin? It has to go. I have to get back to my 140s. I gained so much love weight, it's ridiculous. Like, I can't stand it. So, but I'll give y'all a call back later. So y'all, that was an epic fail. They don't have, their staff is not here on Saturdays, which you should be here at least until like 3, 4 at the latest. But no, they're not even there. So that was an epic fail. That means this gym will not be for me. That you can't have, you don't have anybody on location. You have to go to a whole different location in order for, you to inquire about membership. Like, no, it's not for me. So on to the next spot. I'll see y'all when y'all get there. For those of you who were wondering where I was, it was Anytime Fitness. But this lighting is terrible. I do apologize, but yeah, I don't, no. It ain't for me. It ain't in my ministry. Time to go. I'll see y'all at the next location. So you guys, I joined a gym. I'm so excited. I felt like if I would have looked at more gyms, then I would not have joined one. I feel like I create excuses for myself, which is terrible, but it's true. It's ultimately true. But I got the plan where I can bring a guest with me anytime. Any guest, anytime. This person is looking at me crazy from the window. I'm not worried about you. But I got the membership where it's all encompassing, so I can use any part of the gym and not just the classic. And it's only $23 a month, so I'm okay with that. So, yeah. I have now joined a gym. I'm sorry, I keep moving y'all around, but the lighting is terrible. I have a bump on this side. I don't even know where that came from. But yeah, so I'm excited, and I'll probably start later today or early in the morning, God willing. So I'll see y'all when I get back to the house, because I have to not rush home, but I have to get home, take a shower, clean up, wash my brushes or clean my brushes, and get ready for my client to come at 4 o'clock. So, and it's now 2:55. Luckily, I'm right down the street from my house. So I do apologize for the lighting, but like I said, I'll see y'all when I get back to the house. Peace. Hey y'all, I'm about to get dressed, put on some makeup. It's my friend's birthday party, so about to get all nice and cute and stuff. And okay, y'all are at my breast. Get all nice and cute and stuff and get out the door, because I was supposed to be gone like 40 minutes ago. But that's my procrastination and going. Procrastination. Use your words. Alright, I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all, I'm showing you all the look before I go. This is the look. I kind of just have my hair down and frizzy at the ends, which I kind of like a little bit. And then, yeah, this is the color of my hair now. It's like many different colors. And then this is the makeup. Some green vibes going on from a girl for her birthday. And I'm out to the party. See y'all tomorrow. Hey. Hey.
Good morning. Can I get a small hot coffee?
Hey. All right, Ken. Good job. Good afternoon. I know in the previous clips before you saw me making my breakfast and making my coffee in the morning and talking to my best friend and my niece. But right now I'm going to I think I'm going to go to Ulta first and then go to the gym, because if I go to the gym and then go to Ulta, it's not going to be a good situation, and they close early on Sundays. So I'm going to go to Ulta and then I'll go to the gym, and then come home, cook dinner, meet with my mom, that sort of thing. So that's how this is going to go today. Yeah. So y'all already know what time it is. I know it's no longer morning, but I still have to listen to this in the car when I first get in there. So, like I said, I'm about to head to Ulta. I need to get some more shampoo and stuff. And now that my hair is colored, I really have to be careful. So, I'll see y'all when I get to Ulta. Peace. I just changed into my regular glasses. Have y'all ever been cold outside but hot at the same time? Because, ooh, chilly. I can't. But who knew it would be that busy at Ulta on a Sunday? Whatever. Whatever works for them. But I'll show y'all what I got at home, because I'm hot. I'm ready to go. I'm honestly over it, period. But we'll see. I don't even think I'm going to make it to the gym. I do want to go to the gym, but I honestly don't have it in me. I'm not even going to lie to you. Because I just feel like I just did a lot of walking anyway. So I'll do something when I get home, because I can't. Alright. I'll see y'all when I get home. I think I'm finna go into Earth Fair though. So see y'all in a second. Hey y'all. So I ended up going to the gym. Just, I'm like, it's 30 minutes. Just go walk on the treadmill for 30 minutes. Get your heart rate up. Sweat a little bit, which I kind of am. And start your journey. You got today. Tomorrow's not promised. The next second is not promised. So might as well start. So that is my goal. And my goal is I'm not doing it for anything but to feel good, because lately I haven't been feeling good in my body. So I want to start this journey. But I believe I'm going to end the vlog here, because I got too much other stuff to do. So I'll show y'all on the next vlog what I got from Ulta. But peace. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out. Peace.